um, I somehow stopped recording. I tried putting the video on in CapCut, but it took forever since it was like 41 minutes, so sorry. But this one's going to be short because we're going to restart this song, Rabbit Hole. We're going to put it in bot play, then we're going to do some Dandy's Road. It doesn't take long. Well, we're going to do this one, part 1, then part 2 is going to be, like the other part's going to be Dandy's Road. See what I have this one. Also, I know the English version to this, but I keep forgetting. So yeah, I'm gonna just do 2. We want it in the My bad, sorry, my dogs were barking. Should I get YouTube Studio? If you can hear me, I'm loud tour. So I'll try to figure out what the meaning is in 100 because I'll do it like after this. My, you're just a little bit like me now. You're just as easy. Right in this down this road. Once more, deeper into this rabbit hole we go. My. Alright guys, I'm in. I'm back. Might take me a long time to record the Dandy's Road one. I gotta figure out how to make a video. Anyway, here it is. Once more, deeper into this rabbit hole. Alright. Now, trying to figure out what the meaning of rabbit hole is. Oh, Miku Miku explores the the themes of the virtual assistants. Ratsumi-kun. I did. I do urge Miku. It's first Vocaloid. Leanne and Lona. I don't care. The meaning of the Hatsune Miku Rabbit song. I found it. Sorry, it's long. I'm gonna read all of it. The lyrics. No, wait. This here you go. I'm gonna hold it actually.